Turn yourself into an action figure for free using ChatGPT. Have you ever wanted to see yourself as a toy action figure? What if I told you that with just a photo and few simple commands, you could transform into your very own collectible figure without even spending a dime? The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser and head over to chatgpt.com. Now you can create a free account on ChatGPT. For demo, I'm going to use the desktop version. Next, you want to upload your photo. For this, in ChatGPT, click the plus button to upload a picture of yourself from the computer. Select the option of Upload from Computer. Then select your picture and click on the Open option. Make sure your image is clear and includes your full body for the best result. After this, you want to craft your prompt. Write a prompt asking ChatGPT to turn your photo into an action figure. For example, I'm going to type in, use this image to create a picture of an action figure toy of a space explorer in a blister package. She should be wearing a futuristic spacesuit with a helmet. The accessories should include a blaster gun, a mini spaceship, and a space exploration map. The packaging background should have a starry outer space design with the title Jennifer, the Space Explorer. After typing this in, you want to click Submit. ChatGPT will take a few seconds to a couple of minutes to generate your action figure image. If you want adjustments, simply ask ChatGPT to make changes. Once you're happy with the result, save the image. Now you can share your action figure on social media or use it however you like. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.